Hello everyone, I am currently right in front of my car. This is the 2018 Toyota Camry XSE. XSE or XXE. Anyways, as always, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I just want to do a quick review of this. Now, let me just let you guys know, I am not a car reviewer, okay? For that, I want you guys to check out this dude that does great reviews, Redline Reviews, Sofian Bey. You're the best at that. So, follow me. Okay, so this car has 206 horsepower, has 19-inch wheels, and I can't give you anything else about it. You know, I'm just not that type of guy, all right? I'm not that guy that's gonna tell you everything about this car. But I will show you what it looks like on the side. Now, don't mind the car not being squeaky clean, all right? It's, you know, it's been a little chilly lately, and I like to wash my things myself because I feel like car washes, they don't do the best job. I think by hand is always better. But anyways, this is how it looks on the side. This is the big booty of the car, okay? You know, I got a TRD license plate thing, all right? I don't know what I'm talking about, but anyways. And this is how it looks on the side again. And then this is what you have in the front. So, in order to get in, you keep your keys in your pocket, put your hand right here, the handle, pull it out, and it opens up real nicely. As you get into this car, obviously you have a really nice steering wheel. You have a nice panel roof. So we'll see if we can get some shots of that. And you have great amount of space. It has a lot of space. I am 6'1". I need space. I prefer an SUV, but I had to get this for certain reasons back in 2018. So listen, I got it. I'm happy with it. And let me just show you a couple of other features that it has. All right, so I'm going to turn on the car. Go. So you have this nice screen with a little graphic there. It's pretty cool when you turn a car on. And let's see what we have here. So this car does have Apple CarPlay. You just have to connect your phone. Currently don't have my phone on me, so sorry for not showing you that, but it does have Apple CarPlay. Actually, when I got it, it didn't have the Apple CarPlay. Then the update came out, so I took it to Toyota and they installed it for me, so that's pretty cool. You do have the JBL speakers on this car. So as you can see right here, you got the JBL speaker. And you have a really big sub back there, JBL sub. So it's pretty cool. I love the red leather seats. Like every car that I've had since 2015 has had leather seats, and I think that you just look like a boss in them. It looks very sporty, it looks really cool, and I personally love it. So what else can I tell you about this car? Yeah, try to get a shot of this so that way they can see. Obviously it's really dirty, but it's really cool. It's really cool when you don't want the panel roof. You basically just close it all the way. You can close it halfway, but yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, let's go check this, basically the space in the back, to see if it's comfortable back there. All right, so getting into the back, as you can see, I have a lot of room here, a lot of room. And you know, this seat is basically set up for a 6'1" man, so I got plenty of leg space here. My feet can actually go under the seat, so that's pretty cool. You do have an armrest here with cup holders, so it's pretty spacious, really comfortable. And you just love to see like the view of the front in this car here from the back. I mean, I just love to see all this red all over the car, so it's pretty cool. So a great car for a family of 4, if you have an extra person. The hump is not too high, so there is a hump, but it's not too crazy, so that's not bad. So let's just check out the trunk space, and that will end this review. All right, so opening the trunk, you got a lot of space. I'm a drummer, so I like to keep my beautiful DW snare drum in my trunk, and this is a pretty heavy and pretty big snare drum, so you know, plenty. You could probably fit, I would say, like 6 of them in this trunk, so it's pretty good size. So that basically concludes my horrible car review. This car is going to be with me for the next couple of months, and I'm going to get something maybe better, maybe not. Stay tuned for that. So that's it. If you want one of these cars, go buy one. It's really reliable, it's really good, runs great, comfortable, has any feature that you really need to get from A to B. So you got my approval. By the way, I'm sure some of you noticed this car right next to my car. Sorry about this thing. Belongs to my cousin. He got into an accident, or somebody hit him from the back, and this is what you get.